Would you believe me if I told you that this creamy, rich ice cream is made with cottage cheese and no one can tell the difference? Let's make this viral cottage cheese ice cream in just 2 minutes of prep. 1 cup cottage cheese, full fat for best texture, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, or any fruit you like. Optional, 1 tablespoon peanut butter or chocolate chips for swirl. In a blender, add 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend until silky smooth. This makes your base rich and creamy. Toss in 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. Blend again until well mixed. For fun variations, you can use mango, blueberries, or even cocoa powder. Scoop the mix into a container. Add peanut butter or chocolate chips for extra flavor. Freeze for 2 to 3 hours for a firm scoop, or enjoy it soft right away like frozen yogurt. This cottage cheese ice cream is high in protein, low in guilt, and 100% delicious. Try it once, you'll be hooked.